Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today was Chemo Tuesday, and a big shout out to my nurses on 3 West for always making it an enjoyable experience. It's been a couple weeks since my last video, and I thought I'd bring you up to speed with what I have going on out at the shop. Out at the shop I'm building a CNC camera rig. It'll be an improvement over how I currently film my videos, with the tripods and strapping cameras onto the machines. As far as my new hand, what I've been working on is trying to reduce the friction in the mechanisms so I'm able to get more of the force out to the fingers where it really belongs. Now while I've been working on that, I had the idea of adding in a secondary processor and thin film transducers and haptic motors onto the socket liner so that I could have a little bit of a haptic tactile response whenever I grab something. So the harder I grab an object, the faster that the haptic motors will spin, and that way it'll give me a little bit more of a sense of feeling. It's pretty early on, and I'm not sure if it's going to be a Zuzu or something that I'm actually going to implement, but we'll see. I thought I'd also take a moment to address a comment that I keep seeing over and over in my comment section about me hitting or punching something. Of course I can hit something with my prosthetic hand, but I'm not going to go and risk bending or breaking something. It's not a melee weapon, it's a prosthetic device. That's like going to one of the car channels and saying, "Hey man, that's a really nice car. How about you crash it?" The other one that I'd like to talk about is, how about you show us the bird, or flip us off, or something like that. You know, I wasn't really that type of person, but I suppose at 1,000,000 subs, when I get my gold play button, I can make a video about that. That's all I have for you today. As always, I'd like to thank all my Patreons. You guys have really helped me out on big projects like this. Of course, please like, subscribe, and share my videos. And if you have time, leave a comment in the comment section. I hope everybody's had a good day today. Thanks for watching.